keep it under your hat. To keep something a secret or not tell anyone about something. I have a surprise for Mom, but keep it under your hat. This is just between us, so keep it under your hat. Rolling in dough. To have a lot of money, or to be very rich. Ever since she got that job, she's rolling in dough. After winning the lottery, he's rolling in dough. A walk in the park. Something that is very easy to do, or not difficult at all. The exam was a walk in the park for me. Learning English is not a walk in the park, but I'm trying. As clear as mud. Very confusing, not clear at all, or hard to understand. She explained it 3 times, but it's still as clear as mud. The instructions were as clear as mud, I got confused. Thick as thieves. Very close friends, who share secrets and trust each other completely. Those two are always together, they're thick as thieves. You can't separate them, they're thick as thieves. Feel the pinch. To have less money and feel financial pressure, or to struggle with money. Many families are feeling the pinch because of high prices. I always feel the pinch at the end of the month. After losing my job, I am really feeling the pinch. On top of the world. To feel very happy, great, or extremely joyful. I was on top of the world when I got my first salary. She was on top of the world on her wedding day. Take the plunge. To do something big or risky after thinking about it for a long time. It means to finally decide to do something you're scared or unsure about. I finally took the plunge and started my own business. I was nervous, but I took the plunge and proposed to her. Between a rock and a hard place. To be in a difficult situation where you have to choose between two bad options. She's between a rock and a hard place with her parents and her boyfriend. I'm between a rock and a hard place. Should I quit or stay in this bad job? Make eyes at someone. To look at someone in a romantic or flirty way. I think he likes you. He's making eyes at you again. Even in the meeting, they were making eyes at each other. Green with envy. To be very jealous of someone because they have something you want. They were green with envy when I got the promotion. Everyone was green with envy over his new car. Have a heart of gold. To be a very kind, caring, and generous person. My mom has a heart of gold. She helps everyone. He may look tough, but he has a heart of gold. Talk a mile a minute. To talk very fast, without stopping, usually with excitement, nervousness, or energy. I couldn't understand him. He was talking a mile a minute. You are talking a mile a minute. Slow down.